I think innovation's always been in our blood, but the partnership with UC and the Innovation Hub, what we're trying to do is take the concept of that partnership and take that to a new level, and really the conversation that began about partnership and innovation really started to solidify in space and real estate.
The president's charge to me is to create the front door so that we can have that one-stop shop experience, such that partners like Cincinnati Bell who can come in here, that we can really connect those resources to help solve your particular problems. That's what's really critical to us. We truly want to catalyze with the community. This is all about partnerships, and really listen to the community's needs, and how do we much more closely align the vast assets of this university to really be the economic engine to help fuel the organizations that exist here. This provides not only an opportunity for our current students to have a completely new set of experiences, but provides an opportunity for us to recruit future students and future faculty to this area.
You start to bring our employees into a venue where there's no boundaries. They have access to students from engineering and the DAP program here at UC, from business, and it's just amazing what happens when those two things are combined.
We're working with UC now to define a couple of different approaches on how we're going to engage the students. We're going to have what we call mini workshops, where we bring students in on a Saturday and just give them one small problem, and they work for 4 or 5 hours. And at the end, kind of like in a Shark Tank pitch, the different teams will pitch their ideas, and they'll be eligible for contests, prizes, etc. And we're also working to define an accredited class that's a corporate challenge class. We're really looking forward to that, because we can plug larger issues into the corporate challenges framework each semester.
As partners, UC, they've been a fantastic partner, both on the business side and the community side. And so I'm looking forward to what this sort of generates into what's next. Sometimes you can't tell what's next. You just take that step.
My expectation is that we come out of here with some great ideas, and we're able to actually execute on those ideas. This is our next step about bringing innovation to Cincinnati Bell.